Hi friends, in this lesson we are going to learn about dictionary and various dictionary operations. First let's take a look at dictionary. Dictionary is a Python data structure. It always stores data as a pair. The pair should be key colon value format. It will have a key colon value. The key need to be unique. There can't be two keys with the same name. Key has to be unique, and key must be either of integer data type or string data type. Value can be any data type. A dictionary can have any number of items, but the items all must be in terms of pairs. They must be separated by comma, enclosed in curly braces. Curly braces. Okay. Now, how do we create a dictionary, and then how do we operate things on a dictionary? So, first portion is here is on creating a dictionary. To create an empty dictionary, we put empty dictionary equal simple curly bracket. I am trying to print empty dictionary with its length. And I have another dictionary here, price, which is apple 45 cents, orange 35 cents, pear 55 cents. I'm trying to print out price with the length of price. So I get this output for line number 4, and this is the output for line number 7. Fairly easy. So length basically count number of pairs. Empty dictionary has got nothing inside, so it is 0. Price has got 3 pairs inside, so it is 3. That is how do you create a dictionary. Second portion, how do we print out only the keys? How do you print out only the values? To print out the key, this is a command. To print out the values, this is a command. Run it and will print out dictionary keys, apple, orange, pear. Dictionary value 45, 35, 55. So they are printed as a list format. Keys and values are printed as a list format. Okay. How can I access individual values in a dictionary? For example, let me comment these lines first. If I want to get price of apple, I just need to put price square bracket apple. The key name must be here exactly. So it will print out the price of apple, the value of apple, which is 45 here. Okay. Can I append another item to the dictionary? Yes, sure. To do that, we are putting price of mango 1.65. Notice currently the dictionary has got 3 items. After you put mango, it should display 4 items. Yes, 4 pairs. Apple, orange, pear, mango. This is for appending. How do I update price of apple to 55? It's the same command as append. Price apple equal 55. It doesn't add another apple. It will go and change price of apple from 45 to 55. Meaning when you use this command, it will go and really check, is this key inside the dictionary or not? If the key is inside the dictionary, it will update. If the key is not inside the dictionary, it will append, add a fresh item. So let's run this and then see what line number 8 can do. So the price is changed to 55. From 45, it changes to 55. So these are the functions for how do you access an individual value, append more pairs inside the dictionary, how do you update values of existing pair. Now we go to delete. Okay, let me comment out these lines first. Okay, so this is a dictionary. When I am putting pop item, basically it delete the last item, last pair. Last pair is deleted. So I have apple and orange only now. When I want to delete a specific item, so I just say pop orange. Orange is deleted too. Orange is deleted too. When you want to delete the entire dictionary, it is dot clear. Run it entire dictionary cleared off. The entire dictionary is cleared off, which is actually very dangerous. So if you need to apply for some reason, you can do that. This is, you can delete last item, or you can delete a specific item, or you can delete the entire dictionary. Fine. The next part, some examples. Dictionary with a for loop. So we have a dictionary here. We are using for loop this way. For key comma value. Key is apple orange pear. Value is 55, 35, 55. And I want to print it this way. First part, okay. Second part, let me comment out first. So in the first part, let me run it. See the output there. We have here price of apple, price of orange, price of pear. So we get it for all three items. For the second section here, basically is the same, but we don't want to print out three items. We want it by condition. Only if the value happen to be more than 50 cents. Meaning we want only for apple and pear. We don't want orange. Orange is 35 cents. We don't want that. We want only if the value is more than 50 cents. Run this and they will know there are only two values. Two pairs are printed for the second one. So whenever you want to access values inside the dictionary using a for loop, remember this way. For key comma value in dictionary.items. Items means it will find out item by item by item, one by one. And every item it will extract out the key for you, value for you also. Creating a dictionary values by using calculation. So I got price here. I got quantity. Meaning these prices I am buying so many items. So I want to print price here, print quantity here, and have an empty print over here. And all these things I just want to comment out for now. To run it to check whether this portion working correctly. Yes. So I have a dictionary for price, I have a dictionary for quantity. So what I'm trying to do it is, I'm trying to print out another dictionary by the name cart. So for every key in the price, I'm creating a cart item. So the cart going to have cart of apple, cart of orange, cart of pear. So what I'm going to have it there is price key times quantity key. Meaning 45 cents times 10. That's for apple, 450. 35 cents times 10, 350 for orange. Pear going to be 55 cents times 10. So let's check it. How does it work? By printing it out. Run it first. So you can see here 450, 350, 550. This is somewhat similar to a shopping cart. Shopping cart. Meaning you have two dictionary with corresponding keys. You can do calculation. So I am teaching you only simple calculation now. Just multiply. You can do whatever type of calculation that you want to do. So the last command here is to find out the total of it. Run it. You'll find out the total of 450, 350 and 550 as 1350. 1350 is calculated. The last example, comparing two dictionary. So they have two fruit store. This is the first store that is selling 3 items. And this is the second store that is selling 3 items. Apple and orange are common to both stores. Pear is selling only in store 1. Mango is selling only in store 2. So let me comment out these sections first. Run the code first to see whether the initial part is working. Now I want to find out all the fruits which are selling in both stores. How do I do that? I run using a for loop, within that running a if command. For key in store 1. If the key is in store 2, you print it. Meaning it will take every key in store 1. First key is apple. Is apple in store 2? Yes. It will print out. Second key is orange. Is orange in store 2? Yes, it will print out. Third key is pear. Is pear in store 2? It isn't. So pear shouldn't get printed out. So it should print out only apple and orange. Let's check. So you can see apple and orange. These are the items selling in both store. Both store. You can slightly modify the code to get this. Meaning fruits that are selling in store 1 but not selling in store 2. So what I have included, just only one word, not in store 2. Not in store 2. Rest of them same. Rest of them same. Run it. And pear is the only fruit that is selling in store 1 but not in store 2. So using this, if you have a long dictionary, two different long dictionary, you can compare them to find out common items and items that are available in one dictionary, not available in another dictionary. Missing items, you can find it out easily. Alright, okay. So just try the codes, modify the codes, and you run it and learn from there. Enjoy your learning, and I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you.